respected president of this function, Dr. Lace Makki, uh, Dr. Faisal Madani Sahib, my closest brother Dr. Abdul Latif Madani, and other distinguished persons in the dais, and my brothers. I am wishing to all and the blessings of the Allah. I know that you are the students of the universities of Saudi Arabia. You represented from the various areas of the India and the various universities of the Saudi Arabia. In this occasion, I am not a person to deliver a speech in detail because I am not prepared to deliver a speech in this. Then some linguistic language issues are there. I am understanding you assembled here to discuss the various issues that existing in the world and especially in India, which are facing the Muslims and our Islamic community. So, in this occasion, I have great pleasure to participate in this get together. We know that Islam is the only one religion from Allah, so that every Muslim have a responsibility to propagate it. All the propagation it to all the communities in the world. Especially in this occasion, our duty is very great. So let us swear to fulfill it. Allah may help us. Amen. Wishing you all the best of and blessings of Allah. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.